Saying number 416. Amir al-Momineen, peace be upon him, said, "In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful." To his son Hassan, peace be upon him, "O my son, do not leave anything of this world behind you, because you will be leaving it for either of two sorts of persons, either a person who uses it in obeying Allah. In this case he will acquire virtue through what was evil for you. Or it will be a person who uses it in disobeying Allah, and in that case he will be earning evil with what you collected for him, and so you will be assisting him in his sinfulness, and neither of these two deserves to be preferred by you over yourself." Zad-e-Rah says this saying is also related in another version thus: "Whatever of this world is now with you was with others before you, and it will pass to some others after you." Thus, you are collecting things for either of two sorts of men: a man who uses whatever you collected in obedience of Allah, and thus acquired virtues with what was evil for you, or a man who uses it in disobeying Allah, so you will be getting evil for what you collected. Neither of these two is such that you should prefer him over your own self, or you may burden yourself for his own sake. Therefore, hope for the mercy of Allah for him who has passed away and for divine livelihood for him who survives.